Good morning. In this video, I would like to discuss about partial differential equations. In this lecture, I would like to explain formation of partial differential equation and solution of partial differential equation. First, I start with definition of partial differential equation. A differential equation contains one dependent variable, one or more independent variable is called partial differential equation, or equation which contains partial derivatives with respect to two or more independent variables is called partial differential equation. So in this equation, we have at least two independent variables and one dependent variable. We consider the case of two independent variables. We usually take as x comma y and z is dependent variable. The partial derivative dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y are denoted by p and q. Here p is equal to dou z by dou x, q is equal to dou z by dou y. And the second order partial derivatives dou square z by dou x square, dou square z by dou x dou y, dou square z by dou y square are denoted by r comma s comma t respectively. That means r is equal to dou square z by dou x square, s is equal to dou square z by dou x dou y, and t is equal to dou square z by dou y square. Now, formation of partial differential equation. The partial differential equation can be formed either by eliminating arbitrary constants or by the eliminating of arbitrary function from the relation involving three or more variables. There are two types of eliminations are there. First one is by eliminating arbitrary constant, we get partial differential equation, or by eliminating arbitrary function, we get partial differential equation. First, elimination of partial differential equations. Elimination of arbitrary constants. So consider z to be a function of two independent variables x and y. Then it is defined by f of x comma y comma z comma a comma b is equal to 0, where a, b are arbitrary constants. First, differentiate f with respect to x and y partially. So dou f by dou x plus z is function of x, y, z. So dou z by dou x, dou f by dou z into dou z by dou x, that is equal to dou f by dou x plus dou z by dou x is p. So I write this as p. So dou f by dou x plus p into dou f by dou z. If you differentiate with respect to y, we get dou f by dou y plus dou f by dou z into dou z by dou y. That implies dou f by dou y plus, I write dou f by dou z as q. So q into dou f by dou z is equal to 0. From 2 and 3, eliminate arbitrary constant a comma b, will get partial differential equation of given equation. See example, form a partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constant of the following functions. First one is z is equal to ax plus by plus a square plus b square. And second one is z is equal to ax plus by plus a by b minus b. So very easy and very simple. Solution of a. Z is equal to ax plus by plus a square plus b square is given. So what do we do? First, differentiate z with respect to x and y partially. We get dou z by dou x. Here dou z by dou x is dou by dou x of ax plus dou by dou x of by plus dou by dou x of a square plus b square. So ax differentiation is a plus by differentiation is 0. Why? Because there is no x term, so 0. Being a square plus b square is constant, so this becomes 0. So we get dou z by dou x is equal to a. So we denote dou z by dou x is p, so p is equal to a. If you differentiate with respect to y, we get dou z by dou y is equal to b. That means dou z by dou y is equal to q. So q is equal to b. Now we get a is equal to p and q is equal to b. Substitute a value and b value in the given equation. We get z is equal to px plus qy plus p square plus a square. This is required partial differential equation. See second example. Z is equal to ax plus by plus a by b minus b. So as usual, differentiate the given equation with respect to x and y partially. If what we get dou z by dou x. Dou z by dou x is equal to differential d by dou x of ax, that is a, dou by dou x of by 0, dou by dou x of a total is constant, it will become 0. So we get dou z by dou x is equal to a, that implies p is equal to a. Dou z by dou y is equal to b, that implies q is equal to b. Therefore, substitute a value, b value in the given equation. We get z is equal to px plus qy plus p by q minus q, which is required partial differential equation of given equation. See, form a differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constants h and k from x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square plus z square is equal to a square. See here we have two arbitrary constant h comma k. Here a is a constant, just a fixed value. So the first given equation is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square plus z square is equal to a square. Differentiate this equation with respect to x partially. What we get? Differentiation of x minus h whole square is 2 into x minus h. Y minus k whole square is 0. Z square is 2z dou z by dou x. A square is constant, so that is 0. From this, x minus h plus pz, 2 gets cancelled. X minus h is plus pz is equal to 0, where p is equal to dou z by dou x. Now x minus h is equal to minus pz. The same way, differentiate the given equation with respect to y partially. What we get? Here x's terms is 0 with respect to y. So 0 plus 2 into y minus k plus 2z dou z by dou y is equal to 0. Right? Now write dou z by dou y is equal to q. So we get y minus k is equal to minus qz. Substitute h minus k value and x minus h value and y minus k value. We get minus pz square plus minus qz whole square plus z square is equal to a square. That is p square z square plus q square z square plus z square is equal to a square. Take z square common. Z square of p square plus q square plus 1 is equal to a square, which is required partial differential equation. Next example, z is equal to ax cube plus by cube, where a and b are arbitrary constants. The same way, differentiate the given equation with respect to x and y partially. Dou z by dou x is equal to 3ax square. So dou z by dou x is p. P is equal to 3ax square. A is equal to p by 3x square. The same way, dou z by dou y is equal to 3by square. From this, dou z by dou y is equal to q. Q is equal to 3by square. B is equal to cube by 3y square. Substitute a value and b value in the given equation. We get z is equal to p by 3x square into x cube plus q by 3y square into y cube. X or x gets cancelled. We get px by 3 plus qy by 3. If we simplify this, we will get 3z is equal to px plus qy. See here example, form the partial differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary constants. Z is equal to x square plus a into y square plus b. X square plus a into y square plus b. Z is equal to x square plus a plus into y square plus b. Differentiate given equation with respect to x partially. We get dou z by dou x. Here y square plus b is constant. So what we get? Y square plus b into 2x. Because x square differential is 2x. So dou z by dou x is equal to 2x into y square plus b. So p is equal to 2x into y square plus b. Y square plus b is equal to p by 2x. The same way, dou z by dou y is equal to x square plus a is constant. So keep the same and find the derivative of y square plus b. We get 2y. So x square plus a into 2y, that is q is equal to 2y into x square plus a. X square plus a is equal to q by 2y. Substitute y square plus b is equal to p by 2x and x square plus a is equal to q by 2y in the given equation. Then we get z is equal to q by 2y into p by 2x, that is 4xyz is equal to pq. This is the required differential equation. By eliminating arbitrary constant, obtain partial differential equation from the relation 2z is equal to x square by a square plus y square by b square, where a, b are constants. See, given equation is 2z is equal to x square by a square plus y square by b square. Differentiate one with respect to x and y. We get 2 into dou z by dou x is equal to x square derivative to x by a square. And y square is constant, so the derivative of this becomes 0. So 1 by a square is equal to 1 by x into dou z by dou x. Dou z by dou x is p, so 1 by a square is equal to p by x. The same way, dou z by dou y is equal to y by b square, right? Dou z by dou y is equal to q. We get q is equal to, so 1 by b square is equal to q by y. So substitute these values in this equation. 2z is equal to p by x into x square plus qy into y square, that is 2z is equal to px plus qy, which is required partial differential equation. See, next, elimination by arbitrary functions. So let u is equal to u of xyz and v is equal to v of xyz be the independent functions of the variables xyz, and phi is a function of u comma v is equal to 0. Here u and v are both are functions of xyz, and pi is a function of u comma v. Now eliminate arbitrary function pi, then find partial differential equation. For that, differentiate the given this equation with respect to x and y. So pi is contain variables x, u and v. U contains x, y, z. So first differentiate with respect to u and then differentiate to u with respect to x. So first dou f phi by dou u into dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou z into dou z by dou x. Since dou z, u contains x, y, z terms, so dou u by dou z into dou z by dou x plus dou f by dou v into dou v by dou x plus dou v by dou z into dou z by dou x is equal to 0. And with respect to y, if you dou u by dou y, right, now write this dou z by dou x is p. So dou u by dou f by dou u into dou u by dou x plus p into dou u by dou z plus dou f by dou v into dou v by dou x plus p into dou v by dou z. Now different with respect to y, what we get? Dou f phi by dou u into dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z into dou z by dou y plus dou phi by dou v into dou v by dou y plus dou v by dou z into dou z by dou y is equal to 0. Dou phi by dou u is equal to, sorry, right here dou z by dou y is equal to q. What we get? Dou u by dou f by dou u into dou u by dou y plus q into dou u by dou z plus dou f by phi by dou v into dou v by dou y plus q into dou v by dou z is equal to 0. Eliminate dou phi by dou u and dou phi by dou v. From 2 and 3 we get, this is required partial differential equation. See example. Z is equal to f of x square plus y square. First differentiate one partial with respect to x. What we get? Dou z by dou x is equal to f dash x square plus y square into inner function derivative is x square derivative 2x, y square derivative 0 with respect to x. So f dash x square plus y square into 2x. Okay. Now dou z by dou x is p. We get p is equal to f dash x square plus y square into 2x. And you can write this as f dash x square plus y square is equal to p by 2x. A similar way, differentiate one with respect to y. We get dou z by dou y is equal to f dash x square plus y square, and inner function derivative is x square derivative 0 with respect to y plus y square derivative is 2y. So we get q is equal to f dash into x square plus y square into 2y. On dividing 2 and 3, we obtain p by q is equal to 2x by 2y, and p by q is equal to x by y. Py minus qx is equal to 0. This is required partial differential equation. And see second example, z is equal to x plus ct, f of x plus ct plus g of x minus ct. Eliminate f comma g arbitrary functions and obtain partial differential equation. So differential equation, first differentiate one with respect to x and t partially. Why? Because here two variables x and t. Okay, x and t are independent variables. So differentiate one with respect to x and t partially. What we get? First, dou z by dou x is equal to f dash, f derivative is f dash c plus x plus ct into inner function derivative x derivative 1, t derivative with respect to 0, with respect to x 0. So f dash x plus ct into 1 plus g dash x minus ct into x derivative 1. This is dou z by dou x. And dou z by dou square z by dou x square. Dou square z by dou x square is f double dash x plus ct plus g double dash x minus ct. And with respect to t, we get dou z by dou t is equal to first c into f dash x plus ct, and then function the x derivative 0, ct derivative c. Why? Because c is constant. So c into f dash x plus ct minus c into g dash x minus ct. And second order partial derivative with respect to t, dou square z by dou t square is equal to c square f double dash x plus ct plus c square g double dash x plus x minus ct. Take c square common, we write x square f double dash x plus ct plus g double dash x minus ct. But we have this f double dash x plus ct plus g double dash x minus ct is dou square z by dou x square. So we write, substitute in this, we get dou square z by dou t square is equal to c square into dou square z by dou x square. This is required partial differential equation. So if you have two functions, we have to differentiate partially with respect to x and t 2 times. Okay. So next example, form a partial differential equation by eliminating the function from z is equal to y square plus 2 f of 1 by x plus log y. Here we have only one function, so we find partial derivatives with respect to x and y. That means dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. So dou z by dou x, what do we get? Y square derivative 0 with respect to x plus 2 into f dash 1 by x plus log y into inner function 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square log y derivative with respect to x. So it is 0. So we have minus px square is equal to 2f dash of 1 by x plus log y. And dou z by dou y is equal to y square derivative 2y plus 2 into f dash 1 by x plus log y into 1 by x derivative 0, log y derivative 1 by y. And write f dash 1 by x plus log y is equal to minus px square by 2. Then you get qy is equal to 2y square plus 2f dash 1 by x plus log y. Qy minus 2y square is equal to 2f of f dash 1 by x log 1 by x plus log y. So by this you write minus p of x square. We get minus p of x square is equal to qy minus 2y square, that is x square plus qy is equal to 2y square, which is required partial differential equation. Form a partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary function f of x square plus y square minus comma z minus xy is equal to 0. Here this is in the form of f of u comma v, where u is equal to x square plus y square and v is equal to z minus xy. Okay. So then the given equation f of u comma v. So differentiate with respect to x, we get dou f by dou u into dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou z into dou z by dou x plus dou f by dou v into dou u by dou x plus dou v by dou z into dou z by dou x is equal to 0. So you know u is equal to x square plus y square. You can easily find dou u by dou x. What we get? Dou u by dou x is equal to 2x. Okay. So dou f by dou u into dou u by dou x is 2x plus dou u by dou z. So there is no z term. So dou u by dou z is 0. So 0 into p, that is 0, plus dou f by dou v into dou v by dou x. So dou v by dou x is z dou z by dou x, that is right, dou v by dou x is minus y, okay, plus dou v by dou z is 1 into dou z by dou x. Okay, so dou x into 2x into dou f by dou u plus dou z by dou x is p minus y into dou f by dou v is equal to 0. This is one equation. And differentiate one with respect to y. We get dou f by dou u into dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z into dou z by dou y plus dou f by dou v into dou v by dou y plus dou v by dou z into dou z by dou y. So dou f by dou u. Dou u by dou y is 2y. Dou u by dou z is, there is no z term, so dou u by dou z is 0. And dou z by dou y is p, 0 into q is equal to 0. So dou f by dou u into 2y plus dou f by dou v into dou v by dou x, y is minus x, plus that is dou v by dou z is 1 and dou z by dou y, that is q. So 2y dou f by dou u plus q minus x into dou f by dou v is equal to 0. From these two equations, 2 and 3, eliminate dou f by dou u and dou f by dou v. That means we get det of 2x p minus y, 2y q minus x is equal to 0. We get 2x into q minus x minus 2y into p minus x. And finally we get answer qx minus py is equal to x square minus v square x square. This is required partial differential equation. The same way, eliminate arbitrary function from f of x square plus y square comma x square minus y z square equal to 0. So take u is equal to x square plus y square and v is equal to x square minus z square. Then we get a equation f of u comma v is equal to 0. Now differentiate one partial with respect to x and differentiate one with respect to y. And from these two equations, eliminate dou f by dou u and dou f by dou v. We get the solution, required partial differential equation. Now how to find the solution of partial differential equation? There are some methods are there. First method is equation easily integrable. By rearranging the terms, we can integrate easily. Then we can get solution of given partial differential equation. So first one is dou cube z by dou x square dou y plus 18x square 18xy square plus sine of 2x minus y is equal to 0. Keep y fixed. First keep y as fixed constant and integrate then the given equation twice to obtain dou square. First we get integrate with respect to x. So dou square z by dou x dou y plus 18 into x integration x square by 2 into y square. So 9x square y square minus sin x integration cos x. So cos of 2x minus y into inner function the by 2. So minus 1 by 2 cos 2x minus y is equal to f of y. Okay. Again, constant in constant, I take constant as function of y. Why? Because y is constant. So equal to c, instead of c, I write f of y. Why? Because it's a constant. Now then next, again integrate with respect to x. So dou z by dou y plus x square derivative x cube by 3. We get 3 into x cube y square minus 1 by 4 cos x integration sin x sin of 2x minus y is equal to f of y integral f of y is dx is f of y into x plus another constant g of y. Now keep y fixed and integrable with respect to y. We get integration of dou z by dou y, that is z, plus 3x cube into y square integration y cube by 3. Okay. So x cube into y cube minus 1 by 4 into sin integration minus cos. So cos of 2x minus y by minus 1. So we get 1 by 4 cos of 2x minus y is equal to x into integral f of y dy plus g of y dy plus, here x is constant, so I take arbitrary constant or integral constant is h of x. Okay. Therefore z is equal to 1 by 4 cos of 2x minus y minus x cube y cube plus x into g of y plus v of y plus h of x, where u comma v and h are arbitrary functions. Here integral g of y dy is equal to v of y, integral f of y dy is equal to u of y. So this is a solution of given partial differential equation. Here we have third order partial derivative. So in this solution we get three arbitrary functions. See, solve dou square z by dou x dou y plus dou z by dou x is equal to 4xy. So equation can be written as y into dou by dou y of dou z by dou x plus dou z by dou x is equal to 4xy. Alright, dou z by dou x is p. So we get y into dou p by dou y plus p is equal to 4xy. Alright, dou p by dou y plus 1 by y into p is equal to 4x by dividing this equation by y. So we get dp by dy dou p by dou y plus 1 by y p is equal to 4x. This is a linear differential equation in p. This is linear differential equation in p. So here that means in the form of dou by dou dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. The integral factor is e power integral p dx. Here p is 1 by y. Okay, integral dou y by, or otherwise you write this as d by dy of py is equal to 4xy dy plus c. Then integration, after integration we get py is equal to 4xy square by 2 plus c. So py is equal to 2xy square plus, and if you take x as constant, so I write arbitrary constant as u of x. So py is equal to 2xy square plus u of x. So y into dou z by dou x is equal to 2xy square plus u of x, where I write p instead of p, I write dou z by dou x. Now again integrating on both sides by taking y as constant. So y into dou by dou x of z is equal to 2y square into x dx plus u of x dx plus c2. So y into z is equal to 2y square into x square by 2 plus integral u of x dx is u1x plus c2. I take arbitrary constant c2 as function of y, again function of x. Okay, Right. So z is equal to x square y plus 1 by y u1 x plus v of x. So if we have in the given equation, we have second order partial derivative. The solution we have two arbitrary functions. Now solve dou square z by dou x square plus z is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, z is equal to e power y and dou z by dou x is equal to 1. Here some conditions are given. So find a particular solution. So z is a function of x comma x alone. Then the solution is z is equal to c1 cos sin x plus c2 cos x. If z is a function of only x, then this is d square z plus z is equal to 0. We can write this as d square plus 1 of z is equal to 0. Then d square plus 1 is the roots of this auxiliary equation is m square plus 1. We get a plus or minus I. So the general solution is c1 cos x plus c2 sin x, where c1 c2 are arbitrary constants. Z is function of y. Then c1 c2 are constants, and hence the solution of yc is z is equal to f of y sin x plus g of y cos x. Dou z by dou x is equal to f of y cos x minus g of y sin x. When x is equal to 0, z is equal to e power y given. Then if you substitute x is equal to 0 in this, we get e power y is equal to f of y into cos 0 1 sin 0 0. So e power y is equal to g of y. Okay. So dou z by dou g of y is equal to f of y is equal to e power y. If x is equal to 0 and dou z by dou x is equal to 1, then 1 is equal to f of y. Substitute these values in this equation, we get f of y, and these values in this equation we get this value. So z is equal to sin x in plus e power cos x. Here, see here, dou square z by dou x square plus z is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, z is equal to e power y, and dou z by dou x is equal to 1. First treat z is a only function of x. Then we get the solution z is equal to c1 cos x plus c1 sin x plus c2 cos x, where c1 c2 are constants. Since z is a function of x and y, then c1 c2 are functions of y, particularly functions of y. Hence the solution of the given equation is z is equal to f of y sin x plus g of y cos x. And dou z by dou x is, by differentiating with respect to x, we get f of y into sin x derivative cos x minus gy into cos x derivative minus sin x. So minus g of y sin x. By using these two equations and by using given values, we find f of y and g of y. So when x is equal to 0, z is equal to e power y. Substitute these values in the given in this function. Z is equal to f of y into sin 0 plus g of y into cos 0. So we get g of y is equal to e power y. And x is equal to 0, dou z by dou x is equal to 1, then f of y is equal to 1. Substitute these values in this, we get z is equal to sin x plus e power y cos x, which is solution of the given partial differential equation.